So keeping in mind that the word percent means per hundred, the per means divide, cent is 100, so percent means divide by 100. So if you want to convert a percent to a fraction or decimal, replace the percent sign with the division by 100. 70% means 70 divided by 100, so that's 70 over 100 or 7/10, or 0.7 in decimal form. To convert it to a percent, you multiply by 100%. So 100% is 100 over 100 is 1. And recall that multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. So 0.54 is the same thing as 0.54 times 100%. And then the associated property, I can do the 0.54 times 100. I end up with 54%. So to change 30% into a decimal number, this is going to be 30 divided by 100. So, and as a decimal number, I would put the 30 hundredths, make sure my number ends in the hundredths place. So, 0.30. If I want to rewrite 6.2 in percent form, I'd go 6.2 times 100%. That's going to be 620%. 5 2/9 as a percent. Let's go ahead and change this into an improper fraction. So that's going to be 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 is 47. So that's 47 ninths times 100%. So this comes out to be 4,700 ninths percent. And then you can reduce it to a mixed number again if you want. Rewrite 145% as an improper fraction. Well, 145% would be 145 over 100, and that becomes 1 45/100. Divided by 5, I'll get 1 9/20. So 145% is 1 9/20. When converting a percent to a decimal, you can move the decimal 2 places to the left and remove the percent sign. So 142 65/100% is 1.4265. Because I took where the decimal was and moved it 2 places to the left. If you want to go from decimal to percent, then you do the opposite. You move the decimal 2 places to the right. That's where you're multiplied by the 100%. So 43% in a decimal number would mean move the decimal 2 places to the left. I would end up with 0.43. 7.9 in percent form would be 7. I would move the decimal 2 places to the right. So 790%. 16 3/11 as a decimal number. Well, 3/11. Let's just do this. 3 over 11 is the 0.2727 repeating forever. So this is 16.2727 on and on percent. So as a decimal number, this would be 0.16, then the 2 sevens repeating. 0.75% in decimal form would mean to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So this would be 0.0075. And then 0.00478 as a percent, I'd move the decimal 2 places to the right. This becomes 0.478%.